Wondering about that secret ingredient, that special something that adds that extra sparkle to life after 60. We see it everywhere, don't we? Those vibrant, joyful individuals embracing life with open arms. And you know what? I believe happiness after 60 isn't some elusive dream. It's about choice. It's about discovering those simple, everyday habits that nurture our souls and make our hearts sing. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of happiness, exploring those little things we can do every single day to unlock a world of joy, purpose, and fulfillment. We're talking about connection, gratitude, movement, and that beautiful thing called self-discovery. And the best part, we're in this together. So are you ready to unlock your happiest, healthiest self? Let's dive right in. You know, throughout my life, I've learned time and time again that the human spirit thrives on connection. It's a fundamental part of who we are. It's that invisible thread that binds us, that sense of belonging and shared experience that makes life so incredibly rich. These moments of shared joy and understanding are what make our lives meaningful. And here's the thing about connection. It's not just about the number of people we know. It's about the depth and authenticity of those relationships. It's about the quality of those connections, the depth of those bonds that truly nourishes our souls. Genuine connections can provide comfort and support in ways we might not even realize. So how do we cultivate these meaningful connections after 60? It starts with being open, with stepping outside of our comfort zones and embracing opportunities to connect. It's about taking that first step. Think about the things you're passionate about, your hobbies, your interests. These are the activities that can bring like-minded people together. Are there clubs or groups you could join? Maybe a book club, a hiking group, or a gardening club. Volunteering is another beautiful way to connect with others while making a difference in the world. It allows you to meet people who share your values and passions. Sometimes it's the simplest gestures that mean the most. Picking up the phone to call a friend, sending a handwritten note, or simply making eye contact and offering a genuine smile to a stranger. These small acts can have a big impact. And let's not forget about the power of family. Our family bonds are often the strongest and most enduring connections we have. Nurturing those bonds with our loved ones, our children, our grandchildren, our siblings can bring immeasurable joy to our lives. These relationships are the foundation of our support system. Schedule regular phone calls, plan visits, or even just send a quick text message to let them know you're thinking of them. Consistent communication helps maintain and strengthen these bonds. The key is to be proactive. Take the initiative to reach out and connect. Don't wait for connections to magically appear. Go out there and create them. Be the one to start the conversation. Join that book club, volunteer at the local soup kitchen, strike up a conversation with the person next to you in line at the grocery store. These actions can lead to meaningful relationships. You never know where those connections might lead. They could open doors to new experiences and friendships. So reach out, open your heart, and watch as your life is enriched by the power of human connection. Embrace the journey of building bonds that nourish your soul. Now, let's talk about gratitude. This isn't just about saying thank you, though that's a wonderful place to start. Gratitude is a state of being, a lens through which we choose to view the world. It's about finding the good, the beautiful, the joyful in every single day, even amidst challenges. You see, when we focus on what we're grateful for, something magical happens. Our perspective shifts. We start to see the world through a lens of abundance rather than scarcity. We appreciate the little things, the warmth of the sun on our skin, the sound of laughter, the taste of a delicious meal, and the benefits. Oh my goodness, they're incredible. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can lead to greater happiness, improved health, stronger relationships, and even better sleep. It's like a miracle drug without any side effects. So how do we cultivate this gratitude attitude? It starts with awareness. Take a few moments each day to simply notice the good things in your life. It could be as simple as the roof over your head, the food on your table, or the love of your family and friends. One practice I absolutely love is keeping a gratitude journal. Each night before bed, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big, life-altering things. It could be as simple as a beautiful sunset, a phone call with a friend, or a delicious cup of coffee. So make it a daily habit to find those little things to be grateful for.
North and south, medley,
When we talk about happiness after 60, we can't forget about the incredible power of movement. Now, I'm not talking about becoming a marathon runner overnight or spending hours at the gym. I'm talking about finding joy in movement, in listening to our bodies and finding ways to stay active that feel good. Because here's the thing, our bodies are meant to move. Movement keeps us feeling young, vibrant, and full of energy. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental clarity, emotional well-being, and that wonderful sense of vitality that comes from feeling strong and capable in our bodies. So what does joyful movement look like for you? Maybe it's a gentle yoga class, a refreshing swim in the pool, or a leisurely bike ride through the park. Maybe it's dancing in your living room, gardening in your backyard, or simply taking a brisk walk around the neighborhood. The key is to find something you enjoy, something that makes you feel good. Don't force yourself into a workout routine that feels like a chore. Movement should be a celebration of what your body can do, a way to connect with your physical self and experience the joy of being alive. And here's a little tip. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can make all the difference. It's a great way to stay motivated, accountable, and have some fun along the way. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So, put on your walking shoes, crank up the music, and let's get moving. Let's talk about age, shall we? It's a topic that often brings mixed emotions. It's a topic that's often met with apprehension, even dread. But what if we could change that? What if we could shift our perspective, reframe our mindset, and embrace aging as the beautiful, empowering journey it truly is? You see, society often tells us that aging is something to be feared, something to hide from. But that's not the whole story. But I'm here to tell you that aging is a privilege, a gift. It's an opportunity to embrace the wisdom, the experience, the lessons learned along the way. It's an opportunity to embrace the wisdom, the experience, the lessons learned along the way. Think about it. We've lived through so much, haven't we? Think about it. We've lived through so much, haven't we? We've loved, we've lost, we've learned, we've grown. We've loved, we've lost, we've learned, we've grown. Instead of focusing on what we're losing as we age, what if we focused on what we're gaining? Instead of focusing on what we're losing as we age, what if we focused on what we're gaining? We're gaining wisdom, perspective, and a deep appreciation for the preciousness of life. We're gaining wisdom, perspective, and a deep appreciation for the preciousness of life. We're gaining the freedom to be ourselves, to let go of the need to please others and to live life on our own terms. We're gaining the freedom to be ourselves, to let go of the need to please others and to live life on our own terms. So how do we embrace this new chapter with open arms? So how do we embrace this new chapter with open arms? It starts with challenging those negative thoughts and beliefs about aging. It starts with challenging those negative thoughts and beliefs about aging. Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of all the amazing things you've accomplished, the lessons you've learned, and the wisdom you've gained over the years. Remind yourself of all the amazing things you've accomplished, the lessons you've learned, and the wisdom you've gained over the years. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who celebrate your age and all that comes with it. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who celebrate your age and all that comes with it. And remember, it's never too late to pursue your passions, to learn new things, or to simply embrace the joy of living in the present moment. And remember, it's never too late to pursue your passions, to learn new things, or to simply embrace the joy of living in the present moment. Aging is not a decline, it's an evolution. Aging is not a decline, it's an evolution. So let's rewrite the narrative on aging together. Let's celebrate the journey, the growth, and the endless possibilities that come with each passing year. Now, one of the most exhilarating things about this stage of life is the freedom to explore, to try new things, and to rediscover those passions that might have been put on hold. It's a time to reconnect with your inner self. You see, for many of us, our lives have been filled with responsibilities, careers, families, commitments that required our time and attention. These responsibilities, while fulfilling, often left little room for personal growth. But now, we have this incredible opportunity to ask ourselves, what brings me joy? What makes my heart sing? What activities make me lose track of time? And then to go out and do those things. Embrace the freedom to pursue your interests. Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language, take up painting, or travel the world. The possibilities are endless. Maybe you're drawn to volunteering, mentoring, or starting your own business. Each new endeavor brings its own set of rewards. The possibilities are truly endless, and the best part? There's no pressure, no deadlines, no expectations other than your own. You set the pace and the goals. This is your time to explore, to experiment, to rediscover those hidden talents and passions that might have been dormant for years. It's a journey of self-discovery. So, how do we start? It begins with curiosity. What sparks your interest? What have you always been drawn to but never had the time or courage to pursue? Now is the perfect time to explore those interests. Make a list of all the things you'd love to try, no matter how big or small. Every idea is worth considering, then take that first step. Action is the key to transformation. Sign up for that class, book that trip, reach out to that organization. Each step brings you closer to your goals. Remember, it's okay to start small. Small steps can lead to big changes. Even the smallest step can lead to incredible adventures and discoveries. Every journey begins with a single step. Saying yes to new experiences opens us up to a world of possibilities. Embrace the unknown. This is your time to shine, to explore, to create, and to live life to the fullest. Embrace every moment and make it count. So there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful daily habits that can unlock a world of happiness after 60. Remember, happiness isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about embracing each day with intention, with gratitude, and with a commitment to living our best lives. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite habits for cultivating happiness? Share your tips, your stories, your wisdom in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration where we can uplift and encourage one another on this journey of life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.